Hi, ready to explore a new tool together? Introducing the FESTOOL Cordless Table Saw 36V. This powerhouse delivers cutting precision you can take anywhere. With rip cuts up to 280 millimeters and cross cuts up to 450 millimeters, it's versatile enough for any project. Need inclined cuts? No problem. The FESTOOL 577374 handles angles from 10 degrees to 47 degrees with ease. Enjoy maximum precision with electric height and angle adjustments, down to the last tenth of a millimeter. Compact and mobile, this saw fits perfectly in the Systainer format for effortless transport. Plus, the powerful brushless EC-TEC motor runs at a high speed of 6,800 revolutions per minute for quick, flawless results. Dust-free working is a breeze with the included dust bag, ensuring a clean workspace every time. Elevate your woodworking with the FESTOOL Cordless Table Saw 36V, where precision meets portability.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.